My name is Irina Valentina and I'm a therapist. I help people to shift from negative emotions like depression, stress, anxiety into well-being, into the true essence of who they are. I got lots of clarity from today's course, models, kind of focusing your mind, getting clearer picture of what you want to express and how to connect with your audience on a deeper, more profound level. I came up with the description of the course today. It was A, authentic, U, really understanding and understandable and really focused on you, T, thought-provoking, H, honest, O, original, and R, real. Kind of really authentic, really interesting contents, but very honest in a very open way.